Today, I'm gonna change your mind about private member variables in C++. You may have heard that public members can be accessed outside the class and private members cannot be accessed, but that's not entirely true. Since C++ gives you all the control, you could still be able to access the private members by using some pointer arithmetics. Let me show you how. Let me go one by one. So basically, this is obvious. Number 1 can be accessed outside the class. We are getting the output as 3, which is the variable here. And if I try to access number 2, I will immediately get an error stating that it is inaccessible. But there is a way, there is a workaround, or there is a hack to access this number 2 without touching this class. You wanna know how? If you use value at operator followed by address of operator, they both will be cancelling each other. Okay, in that way we can rewrite this above statement like this. So I'm getting the address of the number that is number 1, and I'm trying to see what value that address holds. Am I right? Am I clear? So we have this variable, we have the value of the variable being printed. Now if I change the address, like if I add number 1 to this address, you know what will happen? The pointer will jump 1 unit forward and it will accidentally access the private number variable named as number 2. There you go. The point here is to not abuse the system, but to let you know that whatever that you are being told is not entirely true. So it depends upon the context, right? You may argue that certain other high-level languages provide security features that is far more superior than C++, but you are missing the catch. Almost all languages that came after C++ uses C++ as the backend. Then how in the world will C++ have memory protection? Basically that's it will be using OS related APIs. Like you can mark certain region of memory to be memory protected, and no one outside the program can view what's inside it. And that can be done in C++. And if that library is being used in that language will also have that feature, the memory protection feature built in. So that's how it is done.